Today I'm cooking a simple home-cooked pork fried rice for lunch. This recipe is for 3 to 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 650 grams of cooked rice. I am using yesterday rice for the perfect texture. If the rice is cooked today, spread the rice on a large plate and let it air for 30 minutes. 2 eggs, 1 lapchung or Chinese sausage cut into small cubes, 100 grams of frozen mixed vegetable, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of cut spring onions, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 3 pieces of shiitake mushroom soaked until soft and cut to bite-sized pieces, 150 grams of minced pork, quarter teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Switch on the heat. Put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in the pan. When oil is getting hot, add in the minced garlic. Stir fry for 1 minute or until the garlic is crispy and brown. Once garlic is turning brown, switch off the heat and remove all the crispy garlic from the pan. With some garlic oil left in the pan, switch on the heat, add in the egg and quarter teaspoon of salt on the egg. Stir fry for 30 seconds or until the eggs are cooked. After 30 seconds, the eggs are cooked, switch off the heat. Remove from the pan and leave aside. Switch on the heat. In the same pan, add in half tablespoon of cooking oil. Add in the lapchung and stir fry for 1 minute or until cooked. Since we have cut it into small pieces, it cooks really fast. After 1 minute, the lapchung is cooked. Remove from the pan and leave them aside. Now add in the minced pork. Spread it around the pan and break all the clumps. Add in half tablespoon of light soy sauce and quarter teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir and mix for about 15 seconds or until well combined. Add in all the shiitake mushroom and mixed vegetable. Stir fry and continue to cook for 1.5 minutes or until the minced pork and vegetable are well cooked. This should be okay. Switch off the heat. Remove from the pan and leave aside. Switch on the heat again. Add all the balance of the cooking oil and all the rice. Stir the rice while heating it up. After 1 minute, the rice is a little warm. Add in half tablespoon of light soy sauce, quarter teaspoon of salt, sesame oil, pepper, and oyster sauce. Stir and mix for about 1.5 minutes or until the rice and seasoning are well combined. Alright, after 1.5 minutes, the color has changed and the rice is hot. Add in all the fried lapchung, half of crispy fried garlic, the egg, the minced pork and vegetable. As everything is already cooked, stir until all ingredients are well incorporated with the rice. This will take about 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, give it a taste. Oh wow, super delicious! At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. But for this, it's really tasty and perfect. Add in half tablespoon of cut spring onions. Give it a couple of stirs to mix for a lovely fragrance. And we are done. Very simple and delicious home-cooked pork fried rice. Now I can dish out and serve. Sprinkle some crispy fried garlic and spring onions. It looks so yummy. Today I'm having my pork fried rice with pickled green chili. Let's eat! Oh wow, so good! Very tasty and flavorful. It's really well mixed, so much taste and texture in every bite. It goes so well with a bit of sour and crunchy pickled green chili too. I really recommend it. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!